If you have an avocado, a banana, some groundnuts, and a cup of milk, try out this smoothie. You'll love it. Creamy and tasty. I'll be showing you how to roast your groundnuts. You can also opt to buy the ones that are ready, but personally, I like having mine raw so that I can roast them myself. At this point, I'm just trying to sort the groundnuts carefully to remove any dirt. Next, I'll be washing them clean and prep them for roasting. As part of our preparation, we'll be adding at least 3 teaspoons full of salt to our groundnuts. Just make sure that the salt coats well to the skin of your nuts. Then we will begin the roasting process and get our groundnuts ready. Groundnuts can help you reduce bad cholesterol. Studies have revealed that they are a great source of vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids. These two vitamins help in preventing the blockage of arteries. You'll know that your nuts are ready once the salt that is coated on the skin of your nuts detaches. Can you hear that crispy sound? That's also another way to know that your nuts are ready. So quickly get your avocados and bananas ready, as next step will be blending them all together. Here is our milk. A glass or 2 will do. Blend well until you achieve a smooth consistency. The bananas and the avocados will also greatly help us with that. Add some ice cubes at this point as we want to have our smoothie cold. Wow guys, just look at that. Look at that. In case you found this video helpful, click the subscribe button and join the team. Like, share and subscribe, comment down below, and also check out our other videos.